In today's video, I'm going to teach you formatting a 7th edition APA paper using Google Docs. Let's set up a clean professional document from start to finish so you can focus on your writing without worrying about formatting. Begin by opening your Google Doc and setting the page margins. Go to File, then Page Setup, and set all 4 margins to 1 inch. This standard margin size is required by APA 7th edition and keeps your content readable and consistent. Next, apply the correct font to the entire document. Press Ctrl-A on Windows or Cmd-Fetch on Mac to select all text. In the font menu, choose Times New Roman. Size 12, using Select All ensures any future text will match the same style. Now set your line spacing. Go to Format, then Line and Paragraph Spacing, and choose Double. This will double space everything, which is the default spacing for APA papers, including the title page and references. Add page numbers in the header. Click Insert, then Page Numbers, and select the top right option. This places Arabic numerals in the header. Flush right on every page as APA requires. Create your title page content next. Place your cursor at the very top of the document, click the center align icon, and turn on bold. Press Enter 3 to 4 times to move the text down the page so it sits nicely in the upper half. Type the title of the paper in title case and keep it bold. Press Enter twice. Turn bold off, keep the text centered, and type the following on separate lines: your name, department and institution, course name and number, instructor name, and assignment due date. This block should not be bold. It's time to start the body of your paper. Insert a new page by going to Insert, Break, then Page Break. At the top of this new page, center and bold the title again exactly as it appears on the title page. Then left align your text for the paragraphs. Set up your first line indent by going to Format, Align and Indent. Indentation options, and under Special Indent, choose first line set to 0.5 inches. This will automatically indent the first line of each paragraph moving forward. When you are ready to add your references, start a new page using Insert, Break, then Page Break. At the top, center and bold the word References. Your entries should be double-spaced. Highlight all reference entries. Go to Format, Align and Indent. Indentation options, choose Hanging under Special Indent, and set it to 0.5 inches. This creates the standard APA hanging indent. That's it. You've set up an APA 7th edition paper in Google Docs from top to bottom. Thanks for watching.